Hi everyone, welcome to the CBS Learning Week that is in progress now. As part of the Learning Week, one of the initiatives we have taken is a job fair for our employees. This is an excellent opportunity for everybody in the team to look at various career options available within CBS. Especially, it gives you an opportunity for non-finance people to move into finance domain, and if you're already in the finance domain, to look at further enhancing your career and your professional growth by looking at options available in the finance community. Thank you.
Welcome to the job fair. So I'm talking about the finance organizations. There's an enormous opportunity to have a good career in finance for the finance people and the non-finance people. We have a lot of opportunity in the finance, different teams. You learn from the contract financing, you learn the various nitty-gritties of the business areas, opportunity of working in the RPA, reporting, planning and analysis, opportunity in working in the operations, fixed assets, intercompany, account receivable, cash management, treasury, GL, and you can really explore this opportunity, and there is a lot of area, lot of regions to work into this ones. Good, welcome to the job fair.
Hi everyone, this is Siddharth and I lead the purchase to pay team for PT CBS based out of Gurgaon. Welcome, first of all, welcome to this learning week that just started, and the one thing that I'm looking forward to personally is the career fair. So what is it that we are expecting in the career fair? Very often I get this question as to what are the things we do in CBS. Now that's not one very simple answer because we do so many things under one roof. And I think this is an excellent opportunity for everyone to understand what all we do. What is it that really excites us? Okay, this is the time to ask the questions, to think of what we really want to do and map our aspirations to what we have. So let's utilize this time well. Let's help stitch our career plans together and plan ourselves well so that we could actually have an awesome career and make BT CBS an awesome place to work. So wish you all the best and thank you.
Welcome to the CBS Career Fest. This is a great opportunity for each one of us to understand the length and breadth of the finance function. I'm John Princeton, Head of USNC and Treasury at VAR, and please feel free to reach out to the finance folks for any questions if you have. Thank you.
Everyone, a warm welcome to Career Fair and the finance stall. This is Bhavna from RPNA team. I work out of DLF 6, and I'll surely welcome you to DLF 6 to meet your other finance colleagues. It's a fantastic place to be in finance because it's very simple. 1 + 1 = 2, and it also gives you an opportunity to meet, interact and make an impact with the senior stakeholders like controllers, FDs, CFOs, and how about kind of making an impact on the BT's EBITDA by working hard and working smart. What do you think, Harsh?
Well, it's the commercial team's job to bring in the bills and the numbers. As a finance team, it is our job to interpret those numbers and make sense out of it and provide enough information to the leaders so that they can take well-informed decisions and timely decisions. A strong finance team within an organization also inspires a lot of confidence with the stakeholders and the investors and improves shareholder values. Nishant, how has been your journey with finance?
I think it's been an interesting journey and a fantastic journey, I would say. If I look back 5 years, so I joined BT Finance as a finance manager in the retail area, and each day has been a good learning experience for me, and I've grown in the finance department from a finance manager to a senior finance manager handling the multiple lines of businesses. So a good learning opportunity, good for my personal growth as well as to contribute to the organization. Uncle, what do you think about your teams? How do they feel? This is more of my personal story.
Yeah, that's wonderful, Nishant. And it's not just you, there are so many examples like you, people who have grown in ranks within the organization. There has been tremendous growth in BT overall and in CBS and in finance in particular. So we have grown multi-folds, and which has given opportunities to people to grow within the organization. We have created an environment of success. We recognize talent, we nurture talent, we train them, we upskill them, and then the growth path is set for a person to make a career in BT. What do you think, Sumit?
Absolutely, Ankur. And as you said, success is to people. I think so. What we have was two other important areas, and that's compliance and integrity. Finance is known for its one truth that whatever reporting we do at whatever time, our numbers don't change. Reason for that, we have the financial markets, regulatory, who are always looking at our numbers, making sure and trusting them. If we don't have that trust factor, I think that there'll be a big hit on our BT brand. I know that's a lot on compliance. What about Ritesh on offerings and openings?
I think if I look back, right, so everyone has talked about their own areas, what is that we have in finance. For me, this is a really interesting time in finance. If you do not have any prior experience in finance, this is the right time for you to start your career in finance. If you have been in the finance in the past, you can see the kind of opportunities that we have. So again, I would want to welcome you all to the career stall for finance, and you can get more details for the opportunities that we have in the finance team. Thank you.
So with that, I guess the whole team over here welcomes you, and enjoy your time, ask your questions. It's all about listen and learn finance together.